recently I started thinking to throw the hat and do the hairpiece. My name is Daniel Henry. Yeah, I'm a construction worker and I live in Toronto. I'm here for some time. I'm from back India, so that's all about me. I started losing my hair almost 15 years back, since 2005 or 2010. So it started thinning and I lost a lot of hair. By the time I realized it is a time to go for the hair piece or some, so I started looking for some information and I found this. To show that, I mean, it was embarrassing to have a bald head, first of all, in a society. However, when you come outside, always I wear a hat. With the hat, I was feeling so uncomfortable. With that uncomfort, I thought, okay, let's go for this hair piece. I have been doing this for last almost 2 or 3 years, and I tried some companies, but it was not impressive. So I abandoned that idea. But recently, I got one of my friend here referred this one, so I tried this. That friend, me, and we were playing some sports at the time. He said, go and try this Superhairpieces, and he asked me to go here, and for that reason, I came here and wanted to try. Oh, fantastic service, and the hairdresser, she was really good. It was professional as well as a very nice approach, and they did it quickly, swiftly, and no complaints. Well, this is today is my first time, and I would say in a scale of 1 to 10, definitely I'll give 10 for this kind of service and everything. I think, this is really going to bring some confidence in me, because before, instead of having an embarrassing removing the hat, now I can go freely, and it will really bring the confidence and build the confidence. It is very important for any personal life. So I really thankful for the service. Definitely they will be surprised to see me in a different look. However, yes, I'm going to refer many people, and my family definitely they will appreciate. Yeah, it was a really great look. I like that one. Appearance is good. Hair is really looks natural, and fantastic.